Hi, Ms. Kramer. It's Sari with Shelf Genie, and it was nice meeting you this morning. So I put together a quick YouTube video so you can get a better idea of how great Shelf Genie is going to look in your kitchen. So we'll start with the stove area. We're going to hold off on this left side. Um, you have this side you can't do anything, and this left side you could, but we're going to hold off. So the right side of the stove, we'll go ahead and do a 2.5 inch on the bottom, a 2.5 inch height glide out in the center, and then a 2.5 inch on the top. And this is where you have your small snack items. So you're going to gain a lot of space in here, and you'll have easier access to get everything. Then we will look underneath the sink on the right side. And on the bottom, we'll go ahead and do a 2.5 inch height glide out on the bottom. And then this is that independent riser that you like. So we'll go ahead and we'll slope this, and it will fully extend, and you can put like your SOS pads, your sponges, your trash bags, whatever you need. Then the right side of the sink, you have a center post going down. So we'll go ahead and cut that center post, mount it to the inside of the left door, and we'll do one big glide out, a 2.5 inch, and then another 2.5 inch. So you're gaining a lot of space in there for your pots and pans. And then, and that's it. So we're doing the basic grade, which is a 3-year warranty. And just as a reminder, all of our glide outs hold up to 100 pounds. Okay. So it was nice chatting with you. Have a great weekend. And your quilts are beautiful. And enjoy doing the one for your grandson. It was pretty amazing. All right. You take care.